Just when you thought I'd done milking these enough, yeah, I went and bought more. Yeah, so, Majorette tune-ups. We've been here about 5 times already, but good news! Majorette released Series 3 with neon effects. Very, very nice. They better be very neon. Just when you all thought, thank God, he's finally stopped recording the same thing over and over. There is more. And yes, I bought another 2 packets, look. So, yeah, we'll do as we usually do. We'll do one today, and one for another video, so, dealt with that. So yes, Majorette tune-ups, what an awesome thing. I've said every video I love these things. Quick run over it again. You get a metal car and a set of pieces to mod it up, and we also get a token and some stickers and what have you. So yeah, I love these things because the Majorette cars are really, really cool, and I just like the extra detail, you know, modding them up. So yeah, we've just been over Series 2, and I found this, Series number 3. And you can order it for Amazon EU as well. So it took a few days to arrive. I believe it could have come from Germany, I'm unsure. This is the series of cars on the back. I'll get the leaflet out of one of the cars in a minute and we'll have a closer look. This time, the ultra rare one is a Nissan Z. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll find that. But I'll be honest, I'm most looking forward to this Dodge Charger RT. The super rare. It looks awesome. So, like before, we have a pack containing 4 mystery boxes. So yeah, we get 4 blind boxes. We get them out of there, which I'm sure you all know blind boxes can be sort of, yeah, they can have their ups and downs. So we'll start with this one, let's have a look. So this time the boxes are actually blue. So your little display box is blue this time. You get a neon car, a neon token as well. I must say these feel really light. Like, compared to the last ones, it feels like there's no car in here. That's a bit concerning. I've got the blade here, so I'll just use that. Right. Yeah, it's really light. Like, concerningly light. Oh no, I think there's a car in there. Oh, a bit dusty. So yeah, as usual, we get our little box of mods. We get 1 set of mods with these ones, unless you get the 2 packs. Didn't see the 2 packs for these yet. Maybe they're to come out soon. So yeah, look at that. Let's see what we get first time. Oh, Audi R8, nice. So actually, one we got before previously. So let's have a look at the token. Oh boy, we started things off with a rare look. This is the Track Maniac, the Audi R8 Coupe. Very nice, I've got to say, that does look nice. Nice white Audi, got some nice wheels on there. Then we get these really cool looking sort of light blue and yellow stripes. R8 on the side. Rear light details on the badging. I say the Majorette cars are really nice. They're die-cast metal. They go full out with lens lights and all the light details as well. And always have really nice graphics on the side as well. That's really, really nice. Do like that. And of course there's your little display box which will click together. Let's put that back on there. So interesting. Got the sort of, I guess that's the neon effects, and maybe the cars will have more lightly coloured designs on them. Out of curiosity, yeah, no, I'm gonna say it, that's pretty neon. Obviously I can't get it very dark, but no, I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get out our mods. So this one we have the tyres and a sticker sheet. Are the stickers the same? Oh, the stickers are different. Is that what I think it is? Is that glow in the dark, or is that just like neon to look like it? Look how bright that is. Yeah, it doesn't seem to glow. I got excited then. I thought, oh boy, glow in the dark stickers. I'd actually be quite chuffed with them. No, it's just kind of a neon effect. It kind of does look like it's meant to glow in the dark though, doesn't it? So we put our wheels on. No, wait. We'll get the body kit out, because it'll be much easier to put this on the car first. Wow, yeah, that's definitely neon. So, this could be interesting, because a lot of the cars, which we did see on the back, are going to have these neon effects, so may not be everyone's cup of tea, because sometimes the more simpler colours did look better. So there's the body kit. I've got to say that's very very bright, isn't it? Yeah, this may be the case that a few of these do actually look just a little bit too loud. But no, still very cool. And even if you don't put the mods on, you're still left with a really cool Majorette casting, I mean, which you can't complain about really. So there is that nice wide body kit with the big wheels. We've seen the R8 before on the Series 2, so nothing too special, but a cool colour variation there. Tell you what, I'll do what I normally do, just put a little token there like that, stickers above it and the car like that, and of course we've got a display thing. So if we put that to the side, we'll get the cardboard out of the way, collect them all. I will try to, I really hope to. So Super Rare, we got a Nissan GTR, we got the G-Wagon, and of course opening features on those. Yeah, got a Volvo V90, which is different. So far the G-Wagon, the GTR and the V90 are all different. Got another GT86 with the same livery. We got the Ford Bronco returning, as it was the Super Rare from the last set, and we have the Hi-Ace returning as well. Ford F-150 Raptor, that's different. Got the Renault Megane, that's returning as well, and the Volkswagen Golf. So there's a few repeats from the last series, but yeah, they all look pretty cool with different variations. Oh, do you know what we didn't check? What code was this? This was BK26, if that is the code there. So yeah, interesting that, because I'm pretty sure BK26 was the code for the Super Rare in the last series. So they've obviously changed it. I'm actually glad I didn't look at that now, because I would have got my hopes up for a for the Super Rare straight away. Could you imagine that, me unboxing the Super Rare like first? Oh, I've noticed what another thing they've changed. They haven't got the little gear to open them up anymore. They just slide straight out. I guess that's actually not a bad idea, because those gears were just a bit of plastic that were going to get thrown straight out. And they've also gone for a more matte finish on the cardboard there, so probably better for recycling as well. Ooh, Golf. Yeah. Is it meant for this? Well, it's very well squeezed into there. Very nice, hefty Golf. Very nice. Right, let's have a quick closer look at this Golf. We got the Bilstein livery, number 7, with a cool blue and sort of pinky coloured splash effect. Yellow, white wheels. I might learn colours soon. Nice lensed headlights, the badge and all the detail. Got quite good detail on the interior on this one. We can see quite well into the interior on this casting. And there's all the rear details. I'm pretty sure this has a openable feature, and it should be that the rear tailgate opens. So yeah, but they can sometimes be really hard to open up. If I do what I did before and pry on the spoiler and then ease in something to leverage it up, there we go. The rear tailgate opens, and inside there is some awesome looking sound system. Yeah, very cool. The Volkswagen Golf was actually in the last. If I do that, you'll be able to see it. Yeah, this was actually in the last set. It's cool to have a different colour variation, and this one is a cool factor. There's a token. Yeah, you've seen the car, so you don't need to see token. So we'll get out. See, now I need to go back. Oh my god. Can you tell I've just got back from work to see my Amazon package, and I'm really, really excited, and I haven't actually put any effort into trying to record it properly. Can you tell? BK2, that can't be the right code, because they're all saying BK26. Has it moved? Have they got rid of the code so you don't know? I don't know, I wonder if they have. Interesting, I actually wonder if they've removed the code. Let's rip this one open anyway. Let's be done with it. Tyres rolling everywhere. Oh my god. Right, sticker sheet. Oh wow. Sort of a neon yellow set of stickers there. Pretty cool. Right, we've got tyres absolutely everywhere here. Let's put on our body kit. This is quite the interesting body kit. We had this last time for one of the Golfs. Shame they're not changing up the body kits a bit. But there you are. I suppose they have actually changed the cars in the set, so it's not like they've just redone everything exactly the same, is it? In fact, if they did that, I don't think anyone would bother buying them. Right. Oh, that tyre didn't go on quite well. There we go. There it is. All modified up. You can still open the rear tailgate. Give you a bit closer there. So yeah, very very loud with the big fins at the top there, and this massive body kit around the side of the crazy wide arches. Yeah, it's definitely loud and proud, I must say. But yeah, no, pretty nice. Right, halfway through then. Let's get out another one of these. If you do know, if you know if these have a code on them, do be sure to let me know, and I can actually go back and tell you which the codes are. But that was the side that the code was on before, and it is no longer there. What we're going to get, this one actually feels a bit heavier than the others. Oh, Volvo! Nice! I actually wanted to get one of the Volvos, because this is a different casting. This here is a cool one, apparently. The Shiny Trevor. And this comes with the urban style modifications. Nice. So, we'll quickly get them out. Bright orange body kit. Not too loud, just a nice little kit on that one. This will look, I think this will look cool. This will look really cool. In here we got some stuff for the roof rack, and yeah, some more stickers for people that like their stickers. Put that in the back there. Right, so let's take a look at the Volvo on its own first. Nice looking wheels on that. Got the lensed headlights again. This time they've got the sort of yellow tint as well. I think it's yellow. I think the orange interior sort of makes it look a bit more orange. Got some nice details on the side. Yeah, see, they've definitely gone for a kind of neon or party disco kind of vibe with these, with the blacks and the really vibrant neon colours. Does look pretty cool. Nice rear light details and all that jazz on the back with the Volvo logos. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe I should change back to centre focus. Yeah, no, pretty awesome. And of course this one has the opening doors as a feature. Very nice. And then we can add on our body kit. Oh wow. Look at that. That has really changed the look of this Volvo, made it much more mean. And then we can add this little piece here for the roof rack. There we go. Now we're carrying whatever that stuff is. Oh, pretty cool. I actually think it looks better without the roof rack, to be fair. Just the body kit on the base. Have I got it the right way around? I think I have. Oh. Assuming by the way they point forward, that means that is the front. Yeah, no, that's really nice. I do like that. That looks cool. Looks slammed as well, that body kit. Well, we're already on to the final one. But I've got to say, it's pretty nice. And I've got to say, they do definitely live up to their neon effects, as they call it. So, what are we going to get now? We've had 2 calls. What will we get in this one? I'm pretty sure we should be looking at getting a rare. Surely, at least a rare. Right? Well, I guess we'll find out. What are we going to get? Oh, a Bronco. Again, very well in the package there. This one's got a glittery green colour scheme to it, with the orange lensed front. Look at that. That looks really neat. Got Wild Track written on there and on the side. Orange wheels. Very nice. Fully treaded. I didn't actually show any of the bases of these, did I? Sorry. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I do like that. So that's pretty cool. What rarity is this one then? Oh, it is a rare. I did think, well, you quite often get more than one rare in each pack of 4, so that's pretty cool. We'll get out our customisations. Wow, pink sticker sheet. Ooh, there are the stickers. I think there's a couple different ones in these actually from the last lot. We have a surfboard here. Or is it a canoe? I think it's a canoe. Or the canoe can sit there if it behaves. There it is. There we go, ready to go canoeing. And here is the front end piece, which is the same as the previous Bronco piece. But hey ho, looks pretty cool. Nice neon orange colour. Works well with the green. Yeah, pretty cool. Does look cool with the old canoe up on there. And the old ram bar with the winch. Yeah, that is pretty awesome indeed. So I'll put that over there with its little token, and we can put the display boxes in the background. Well, there we are. Series number 3. The fun of collecting more mystery boxes has begun. How many duplicates are we going to get? Hopefully not too many. We did pretty well in the last series, so hopefully we'll do the same again. Of course, we've got the next box to open up soon, so that video will be out very shortly. If you're bored of all these, be sure to let me know in the comments. I'll probably carry on buying them regardless, let's face it. But yeah, I've got some other videos coming out shortly too to space these out, of course. Hope you have enjoyed watching. Let me know down below what you think of these Majorette tune-ups. I hope you're enjoying them, because I think they're awesome. And yeah, as always, I'm going to wish you the best of luck in your peg hunts. I hope you are all doing well, and hopefully see you again in the next video.